1. Enhance your holiday ambiance by placing a mini Christmas tree on the table, instantly adding a festive touch. 2. Create a magical atmosphere with mason jars filled with fairy lights, serving as luminaries for a warm and enchanting glow. 3. Ground your decorations by using a table runner with holiday patterns, setting the stage for a festive display. 4. Inject a pop of Christmas color with a bowl filled with red ornaments, creating a visually striking centerpiece. 5. Embrace nature by incorporating pine cones and evergreen branches, bringing a touch of the outdoors to your table. 6. Add a sweet touch to your setup by arranging candy canes in a decorative glass, combining aesthetics with a treat. 7. Craft a charming DIY centerpiece using mason jars, red berries, and ribbons for a personalized and festive focal point. 8. Infuse whimsy into your decor by placing red jingle bells in a clear vase, adding a playful and cheerful element. 9. Lay out a white garland along the length of the table, creating a snowy backdrop for your holiday decorations. 10. Stack festive books and top them with a small table decoration, such as a ceramic reindeer, for a unique touch. 11. Set a warm and cozy ambiance by incorporating candles in varying heights, casting a soft glow over your table. 12. Create a coffee table vignette with wooden trees and pine cones, bringing a rustic and natural to the space. 13. Achieve a festive look by adding a bowl of ornaments in matte, shiny, and glittered finishes for a diverse display. 14. Display a beautiful Christmas centerpiece with red and gold accents, elevating the elegance of your table. 15. Craft a DIY centerpiece using evergreen branches and red berries, infusing your table with holiday charm. 16. Freshen up your decor with white vases filled with poinsettias, adding a touch of freshness and sophistication. 17. Layer different textures, such as a burlap runner, glass candle holders, and metallic trinkets, for a visually dynamic arrangement. 18. Start your coffee table's holiday decor with a simple table runner, providing a base for your festive display. 19. Elevate the look by adding height through elegant Christmas centerpieces, drawing the eye upwards for a captivating arrangement.